Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of a window cleaner vlog. Today what have we got? We've got 18 cleans. I'm local, I'm in a village called Guy Hern, which is not far from me at all. So we definitely should get this one done by 5 PM, but now I've said that I've probably jinxed that one. So will we do it? I don't know, find out. It's midday, just gone, literally it's 5 minutes past 12. Me and Matthew are now heading home. We're going to have pat lunch. It was paddling it down, hailstones on the last clean we've just come from. So that's why we thought, right, sod this, we'll go home, see if it's going to stop while we have our lunch, and lo and behold it has. Didn't know if it was going to be in all day or what, but we're now coming to some blue skies. I'm sure it's going to be on and off all afternoon. Don't know about you lot, put it in the comments below what the last couple of days been like for you. As you can see, I've got my waterproofs on. In a minute I'll be taking them off because it's boiling again. Well, the sun's out. It's just if you're a bit sheltered from the wind, it can be hot, but when you're in where the wind is, it's quite a chill to it. So yeah, onwards and upwards for next week. I've heard it's meant to be warmer. Fingers crossed. Anyway, go and have lunch and a cup of tea and I'm sure the world will be right. Right, that's us done. Finished at 5:30, now driving home. Be home in about 5 minutes. And yeah, 18 cleans all done. We have had one call back between us. Me and Matthew had missed out a garage door because we used to work with Sophie. And we just had to touch up a door. It's a composite door, so it dried a bit funny. Synergy Pro, water, job done. So yeah, all in all, not bad. Good days taken as well for us for 18 cleans. And I've now dry. So today we've had sunshine, rain, hail, more sunshine, but the wind has been quite cold. My hands have felt a bit numb at times, especially late in the evening. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you already haven't done so, like and subscribe. There'll be a video up here. YouTube will tell you what to watch next. Catch you on the next one.